If you want to change your name on your Cursor AI account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few moments. It's a quick and simple update, but if you've never used the Cursor dashboard before, I'll make sure you know exactly where to click. This is especially useful if your profile name is showing the wrong information, if you want to update your display name, or if you simply need to keep your account details accurate. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Cursor dashboard settings page. You can do that by visiting cursor.com and heading into your account settings area. Once the dashboard loads, look for the profile section. This is where Cursor keeps your personal account details, including the name attached to your profile. If you're already signed in, you should land on the correct account page pretty quickly. Now that you're in the profile section, find the field labeled name. This is the text box where your current display name is stored. Click inside that field and simply edit the text to whatever name you want to use instead. Make sure to type it carefully, especially if you want your account to show the correct spelling or formatting. After you've entered the new name, look for the save button. This part is important because your change won't actually be applied until you save it. Go ahead and click save, and Cursor will update your account profile with the new name. In most cases, the change should take effect right away, and your updated name will now appear across your Cursor account. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. That usually helps the new profile information appear properly. It's always a good idea to double check your profile afterward, just to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name on your Cursor AI account. Super easy, super fast, and now your profile information is up to date. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.